In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to restore closed tabs in Google Chrome. Let's start with restoring a group of tabs. Imagine you had several important websites open such as Google Drive, YouTube, Amazon, and Gmail. You accidentally close the entire Chrome window. When you reopen Chrome, you might notice that all your tabs have been disappeared. Fortunately, getting them back is easy. Simply click on three dots, go to this option History. Here you're going to find this option of tabs, click on that. Now all you have to do is click on Restore window and Chrome will reopen all those tabs exactly as they were before you close the browser. Now let's look at restoring individual tabs. If you accidentally close just one or two tabs, there is an even faster method. Simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus T on your keyboard. Each time you press this shortcut, Chrome restores the most recently closed tab. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.